He was a soldier who'd only been married 2 or 3 years ago. And he put his hands on her knees that night and he said, I gotta go. She said, why would you leave this home and me? I thought I was your baby girl. And he wiped away the tears from her eyes and said, they're sending me to save the world. And you know I love you and I pray to God that he'll join us once again. But now it's time for the simple man to be one of the few good men. 'Cause baby, I'm a soldier and I hear those trumpets calling again. And our kings and queens are saying this is a fight we must win, for truth and justice and for the way we live our life. And baby, I'm a soldier in front of God. I swore I would fight. Across the ocean and miles away there stood another man, 18 years hugging his mama, saying, I'll defend this land. Mama held her baby and cried and clutched him, telling him not to leave. She said, what will I do without my baby boy? Son, I'm begging you please. He said, I love you mama, but duty calls, I'll write you every day. She said, I lost your daddy like this and I don't wanna lose you this way. 'Cause mama, I'm a soldier and I hear those trumpets calling again. And our kings and queens are saying this is a fight we must win, for truth and justice and for the way we live our life. And mama, I'm a soldier in front of God. I swore I would fight. Well, the battle raged and shots rang out and the 2 men fell to the ground. And they looked into the eyes of each other and were shocked at what they found. One man saw the mother of the other in that young man's eyes, and the other man saw the crying and screams of the other man's beloved wife. And the 2 men stared across that smoky field and whispered to each other, maybe you weren't the demon they said, maybe you were really my brother. But I'm glad we're passing, 'cause I don't think that I could forgive myself for fighting you. But maybe, God willing, we can live together in bliss. 'Cause ladies, we were soldiers and we heard those trumpets calling again. And tell the kings and queens that sometimes there are fights no one wins, but we know for sure that there's evil out there we must fight. But please be sure that this is one of those times, and please be sure to remember my mama and wife, and please be sure to think